guys, welcome back. Long time no see. I took a little break, but now I am back with a new hair video. I'm really excited. I'm testing out a new product. It is the Revlon blow dry brush. I've been seeing this everywhere. I've really wanted to try it out, so I finally got one. I picked it up from Ulta, and yeah, I'm really excited to try it. I washed my hair yesterday, so it's dry now, but I'll re-moisturize it with some aloe vera juice and water mixed together. And I'm also going to be trying out the Curls Hair Silk. I just got this, so I'm excited to try that out too. And I don't have heat protectant, so I'm going to be using just some pure grapeseed oil for a heat protectant, and I'm also going to be using the dryer on cool, not even low, so I should be okay on that front. And yeah, I think that's it, so I'll get into it. My hair is in 4 sections right now, so I'm probably going to split each of those into like 3 or 4 sections to blow dry, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, here is the first quarter of my hair done. Still feels pretty soft, pretty moisturized. I think I'm liking the curls hair silk. So yeah, I'm gonna finish up the rest of my head and then I'll be back. Okay, so here is my hair done. Yeah, it took like an hour and a half, 2 hours to do it because I was doing it on cool, so it did take a little bit longer to dry. But yeah, here it is. I'll do a full spin around shot for you. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!